Hi, welcome to Linode Talks. Today I'll be discussing about the application process for getting official transcript from MG University. I know many of my friends who approach agents to get the official transcript. But let me tell you, it's a very simple process. You know why? It's online application. So let's see how we can apply online. So can we start now?
Let's start the process. This is the official page of MG University. You can scroll down. There is an option online application portal. Click it. So you have to choose your service. Since we are applying for official transcript, this is the option application for official transcript of grade points marks. So once you choose that option, you will get all the information required. It's self-explanatory. You can go through it. However, I'll explain. First thing you have to make sure is you have all the documents ready with you. First is proof of date of birth. One is 10th standard certificate, then 12th standard certificate, then provisional certificate or the degree certificate, whichever you have. Then all the mark list, semester wise or year wise, including supplementary and improvement. So if you are applying to WES, you have to make sure academic record request form is duly filled and kept ready for uploading. So once your all documents are ready, you are ready to do this process. I'll just explain on the fee structure. The fees is 2,100 for the official transcript of mark list or degree certificate. Then if it is within 1 year of publication of result, there is no charges. If that is the search fee, the search fee is 0 if it is within 1 year of publication of result. Say you have passed in 2021, then absolutely no charges. If it is after 1 year of publication of result and within 5 years, it is 55, and if it is after 5 years and within 10 years, 105. If it is after 10 years of publication of result, rupees 265. So this is a search fee. Now there is a postal charge. If you are sending it within India, it is 80 rupees. If it is outside India, it is 420. Say if you are sending it to West Canada, it will be 420 for the normal post. If it is express post, you have to pay 2,100. Once the official transcript is ready, the university will send it, issue it in a sealed envelope directly to the West, if it is for West Canada. So let's start the process. So you have to select which program you have done. If it is UG, you can say UG. Admission year, you can give. Study type, you can choose. So you can choose your program here. Enter your number, stream, result publication date, whether applied for reevaluation or scrutiny, if applicable yes, otherwise no, whether results of any reappearance exam, supplementary, improvement are pending, possibly no. Then you have to fill all these details: name, date of birth, email ID, mobile number. Give a proper mobile number here, because you will get a OTP after filling this. Then you will be proceeding to next options for the payment. So then confirm email, you can provide the gender details, then provide the address, present address, then the address of the address to which the document is to be sent. Say West, you have to provide the West address. Number of copies, if it is for West, only one is required. Where do you want to send the documents? If it is for West, it is outside India. Again, you have two options: airmail or express post. If you choose airmail, it is cheap, but it will take some time. If you wanted to send it within, let's say, within 2 weeks or something, you can choose express post. So if you want to say something else additional, you can write here. Then you have to choose all the files which has to be uploaded. Make sure, the image size is not more than 500 KB. Otherwise, there is a chance of rejection. It has to be very clear and readable. So make sure you scan the documents the scanned documents should be very legible. So, and one more thing is the document file format is very important. Say if you upload a different file format, it will give a message. It will allow only these formats. I have uploaded JPG, so make sure you upload in this format. So here you have the SSLC or 10th certificate you can put. Then 12th you can upload here. Then if you have a consolidated grade card, you can upload here. If you have a provisional certificate, you can upload here. Otherwise, you can upload all the semesters. Each semester you can upload here. You can go on creating, and you can all you can choose here, like say semester 1, semester 2, like you can create. If you are applying for West, yes, you have to add that West form also. There is a West academic request form, so you can choose that. So once you fill that, you can tick these options, then enter CAPTCHA and go for registration. So once you register, you will be getting an OTP. Then after that, you will be proceeding for the fee payment. Once it is done, your application is sent to the university. So now, once the application is sent to the university, you can call them, the very next day. Then you can inquire about the application status. So one thing I will suggest is, from my experience, I'll tell you, whenever you call the inquiry number, it is given in the university website. So ask them to, transfer your call to the department. So say you have done the BTech program, you can ask them to transfer your call to the BTech department. So you can talk to the concerned person. They will have a track. So they will be having a track of your application. So say then you can ask them, how many days it will take. You can tell them the urgency of your process. So you can very well explain. They are very cooperative. That's what I have seen. Then one more suggestion I will give here is that though the university send the transcript by post, and which will take some time, even though it is 2 weeks, but you can avoid that time. You can there is one more process called online process, which nowadays West is encouraging due to the current COVID situation. So I have done that. So that's the reason I'm suggesting this. You can request the university to send it via online. So they will send it once the transcript is ready. They will send it online. If they need a official email, you can send it to them. Otherwise, normally they send it online also. So once they're done, then you can keep on calling them daily basis. So the process will be done at a very faster pace. So and I have seen all the staff are very cooperative in this regard. So I believe we have captured all the points for the application. So in case if you have any doubts, you can put your doubts in the comment box, and I'll explain by replying to your comments. So I wish good luck, and thank you for watching this video.